Calls himself captain. You're gonna go back to taking another break? You're gonna go take another break?
Yes, I'm gonna take my union break if you don't mind.
Another break? Been sitting on your ass all day, he needs another break. Oh shit. Fuck.
You don't get 300 pounds by not taking breaks.
Fuck. Great.
I'm actually gonna take a residence.
Everything at your pocket, watch your wallet, keys, and change.
Wallet too?
Everything has to come at your pocket. Watch wallet, keys, and change. Everything's in your pocket has to come out, please.
See more?
Yes, stay right here.
Yeah, I know the process.
What's up, buddy?
Don't take my notes. Go get my medicine.
Are you saying we can't get in?
That's what I'm here to do is fill out the request.
We can't get here?
Do y'all know? Do y'all know? You can go closer if you want to. Talk louder. The background noise. Since COVID-19 and everything, lockdowns, everything's done online by appointment-wise. So if you need to handle business with the city and everything,
So are you saying because of what happened, the people lost the Fourth Amendment right?
no, not at all. But how they process and everything, try to schedule everything out. So if you need to say,
But that's been already called off.
no. The lockdowns, yes, for nationwide and everything in the city. But how they process stuff, that's what the city from scratch.
But I mean, we don't have to wear masks, right?
No, not that. No masks, no car stuff, none of that. It's all gone.
But do you see why the people were upset because of that? Because that
can't go on?
all of a sudden that tries to overstep the boundaries of people's Fourth Amendment rights.
Yeah, I got a public record
We're
request
gonna
to
get
make.
records
I'm
requests.
allowed to make it by state law at the agency. I don't have to go
Public
on.
record for what? Children? No, the thing is, which you say public record, I got you.
Okay,
But this is
then you
involving
also
DHS,
then you
involving
also got
children.
me that I don't have to explain what it is to you because you're not the requester. You're not taking my request. My only obligation is to tell who I'm giving the request to what it's about. So please allow me to go in and make my request like state law
How
allows.
many beds? I don't want any names. I don't want any faces. I want to know the count on deck. I know, but that's a public record that we can put in here.
And you're quelling us from going in there and getting the records.
Denying us
You're
service.
denying us our records.
Transparency. This is the problem that we're trying to correct. We are entitled to that. That information is public. We're part of the public.
Call somebody from DHS. Let's get a supervisor down here, preferably somebody that knows state law.
In order to get through, do we have to be buzzed in? Yeah.
With forced pass, trespass.
You can't trespass a public building now.
Yep.
Oh, so can someone come down and take my public records request?
Public was on hand up here.
What offices are in this building?
I told you, I
What
didn't
offices
hear
are in
very
Department of
well,
Human
sir.
Services involving children and family court.
That's it?
You know this is on the same side as on the other side?
Yeah.
It's all connected.
Okay.
If you have involvement in children,
You gotta
and
know
family-
and understand that we do this all over the country,
That's
bro.
fine, sir. But,
And
but
this is why we do
I don't know
this
if he's hearing
because
me. If you're recording, if you're involving your family, if you have family and kids involved in the state and everything, say family court.
what if we have general questions? General
I
questions.
have a general question, and it's
I just said to him, the same answer. It's not down here.
yes, it is. It's
Yeah,
a
it is.
public record,
Yes,
sir.
it is.
Public record.
I can ask for everybody's names and
an
salaries.
agency.
Involving children and
You
family.
heard?
This is an
I
agency.
can ask for everybody's names and salaries here. I can ask for everybody who works here, get their names and salaries, find out where our taxpayer dollars are doing. What I want to know, is a simple question: what is the count on deck? How many kids and how many beds are in this facility?
Sorry, I can't help you with that. I don't do it.
I know you don't deal with that, but there is an agency who can give us that information. All they got to do is take down my email address and what I want. Ooh, just walk away when you're faced with facts. Common sense. Come on now. How do we know if a kid didn't get taken away by a front deputy? There was 130 kids here yesterday. Today's there 129. How do we know?
I was told no, so absolutely. If he says yeah, then otherwise no.
So because I walked in with the camera in my hand, now I no longer have a Fourth Amendment nor a First Amendment to go in there and ask questions and make records requests. Obviously, this guy doesn't know what he's doing.
That was their
That's our
supervisor.
lieutenant.
Yeah, that's the supervisor. For Scotland Yard security, so we're gonna have to call and get his supervisor. And then,
Well, man, it's Captain Johnson.
yeah,
Right?
yeah.
That guy's already famous on our channel.
It's been 5 years that he looks so.
He makes all
When I
kinds of
saw him
funny
again
faces.
yesterday, I was like, you still haven't learned?
And he stinks. He
The
makes
reason
faces
that
and
started
he
with
stinks.
this, real quick, as a young
His
man,
breath smells like hot garbage.
that guy right there.
I told the lady that the other day. Like, your breath's like fire, hot garbage.
And they don't want to.
Yeah, because you guys from the second floor, this is not Oh, you No, I'm in there. Here, Brian, I'm not walking.
Hey, gents, y'all can be here and film. That's all right. Yeah, people come in the public watch and move to the
Real quick, if I put my phone away, can I go ahead and go in there? Why is that?
No, you can film. I just need you to move to the right.
No, but if I put my phone away, can I go get my records?
No.
So
We
what you're
have
saying
no
is
public records here for involving children,
That's
family.
not true. That's not true.
But
I
can you move to-
have
move to the
general
right, though?
questions, but if
No,
I put my phone away, can I go in there and ask general
Move to the
questions?
right, though. It's a good reason.
Okay, fine, but if I put my phone away, can I go in there and ask general questions? So what you're saying is because I walked in with my phone, now you're gonna stop me from allowing me to go in there?
You have a cigarette butt stuck on your shoe.
Shit. Thank you.
Is it gum?
No.
Oh, okay. I thought it was like this trash.
So did the guards in Auschwitz with gas control children.
What was your name, man?
Mike.
Mike, what's your last name?
Just Mike for now.
Really? Hey, top captain, what's his name? Captain what?
Captain Johnson.
Captain Johnson, I said, what's up? Unbelievable. How you doing today?
So what? You did not want me in. That's bias and prejudice.
The look of confusion. She's bewildered, yeah. She's bewildered.
She got, what do you call it? Befuddled.
Yeah, she's befuddled.
Hey, Mariano.
Hey, Mariano, how you doing? Tell Captain Johnson I said what's up. He calls himself Captain. You're gonna go back to taking another break? You're gonna go take another break?
Yes, I'm gonna take my union break if you don't mind.
Another break? Been sitting on your ass all day, he needs another break. Oh shit. Fuck.
You don't get 300 pounds by not taking breaks. How you gonna keep up that manly physique? You gotta have a couple subs in the back.
What are y'all doing? What are they doing?
Whatever we want. Thank you. Have a good day. Continue on your way.
We're just filming.
You look befuddled, man. Take a breath, man. Take a breath. Why can't they be you? You're just all chill.
You should wrap it up.
What? This is a place of business. I'm so confused. Where's this mom on the board? I tried to, but it was just rude. I tried to be we're auditors. Oh, I'm not.
It's time for another beer. Yeah, it's time for fun. It's time for fun. It's fun. It's fun 30.
I've been through this whole circle of madness already.
Yeah.
I mean, I know this stuff. You're not gonna let you get past it.
Saw that name?
Attack, bro.
Yeah.
So the Rocky stuff is down there. You gotta go to the Yeah, no, let's go.